We're gonna start our hike, and first we're gonna go to Palmas. I'm scared of everything, and it's okay so far. Touch wood. Going up for 30 minutes in the Brazilian winter. We made it! This is Palmas. Palm trees. It's okay walk, but it's not like super flat, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Now we're having acai.
You'll be fine.
Now we're going to Lopes Mendes beach. Try to get a taxi boat back because we're tired. We did half of what we wanted.